Hello, hola, mis compañeros, mis subscribers, etc. Welcome back to another tutorial. This is just a little fun one. I debated whether I'd put this one up or not, but I already shot it, so I'm going to put it up, even if it's not my best. It's just a little bracelet made of single strand cord. If you make this item, I would recommend not using single strand. I would recommend using a more durable type of cord because it kind of breaks apart a little bit. You want something more streamlined, more tightly wound, but I had unfurled some tri-braided rope and made it single cord. So don't do that, but it's still cute. Maybe use some kind of paracord or something like that. At the top here, you'll see in the white, that's the top of the loop. It's called a bight, B-I-G-H-T. That's going to serve as the buttonhole. And then I've wrapped my cords around. I think they each measure approximately 32 inches length. And then I'm just going to work around, as you will see, from green, brown, pink to green at the bottom, and then start all over again. It's a pretty simple once you see the pattern, but just working from left to right. You may notice that I use the same song a lot in the tutorials. It is called Evergreen by Morgan Kibbe. It is through iMovie and it is a free song. When I use other songs, I run into copyright problems. So that's why I always use this one. This pattern works basically by working from left and then right, respectively. So you'll take your left cords and take the first one and work all the way down to the middle white cord. So first it's green all the way to the middle, and then you'll go over to the right side and work the green all the way to the middle white one. And then you'll go back to the left and work the brown beside the green all the way to the middle white one, wrapping it around. And then go to the right and work the brown one down, and then the pink, and then back to green, so on and so forth. I show this throughout, but it's just useful to know that you'll work left all the way to the middle, and then you'll work the right cord all the way to the middle, and then go back and forth. The rose knot tutorial is in my archive, also called a button knot. Or you can just tie an overhand knot